Hey. So, I thought of doing my video about my New Year's resolutions and was like, wait, I kind of just want to play Sims. Anyways, I'm gonna sort my hair out, load up this game, and create my Sim. And that's exactly what I did. In the last video, I made myself as a Sim, but the challenge for this video is to literally make my house. And I tell you, by the end of this video, I went downstairs to go make a drink. I felt like I was living in a weird simulation. I felt like I was the Sim because it was so accurate. So yeah, enjoy this. It's mainly just a big time lapse of me building my house. So this is the first time I've ever built something trying to be realistic in The Sims. So I went by furniture and I was like, okay, this is a sofa and how much room would a sofa take up and stuff on The Sims, because I didn't use the build cheats because I don't know how to do that. But yeah, so everything is a little bit bigger than it actually is, just because you can't have furniture too close. But yeah, so I started off literally just doing all the windows, doing all the rooms, and it just felt so cool already. I bought my house as a new build, so I saw the development process and it felt just like doing that all over again. So yeah, I do live in a red row house, and it's the Amberley, so it's basically just I'm building the Amberley red row. I did take out the rooms that I don't use in the house, like my parents' room and the guest room. So to make it more realistic for my New Year's challenge, to complete my New Year's resolutions as a Sim, because obviously I don't use this room, so I don't want my Sim to have access to those rooms either. Colouring and everything was so much fun. It's just, even just watching it back, oh my gosh, so much fun. And by colouring in, I mean the wallpaper, and the carpet wasn't. But honestly, what pulled this all together was the garden. I showed my parents afterwards and they were like, that's our house. I was like, yeah it is. And they completely designed the garden themselves, so I thought they was really gassed about that. Oh my gosh, that's my house. This is what I was doing the whole time I was making it, oh my gosh, this is my house, it's so funny. At the end I have shots of my Sims bits and versus the real bits. Yeah, it was so funny. And then I have a walking tour at the end as well. It's just so satisfying and lovely. Oh my gosh, all the plants make it look so realistic. The extra little knickknacks just make it, and it looks so real. Oh yeah, gotta save it. Oh my gosh, that's my house. And then I was like, can I actually put something on the internet? And I was like, people literally do full house tours. I'm good. That's my house. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, it's a kitchen. Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. It's so funny because I was literally making it as it was made, because obviously the kitchen and the bathrooms were there when we moved in. Oh. Okay, the time lapse is almost up. Let me take you through a full guided tour of the house, a walkthrough, furnished with lighting, and compare it to my actual house.